In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify duplicates between two worksheets in Google Sheets using the VLOOKUP function. Let's dive right in and simplify the process of finding those pesky duplicates. First, let's set the groundwork. We're going to create an additional column in our first worksheet to help us easily spot any duplicates. This additional column will serve as our duplicates indicator. To get started, you'll need to enter the VLOOKUP function in this new column. So let's go ahead and type equals, followed by VLOOKUP, and then open a parenthesis. This is the start of our function formula. Our first parameter is the search key. Think of this as the piece of data that we're attempting to find in another spreadsheet. We want this to be dynamic, so it adjusts as we autofill down the column. To accomplish this, we'll use a reference cell. For example, if our first cell is A2, we'll enter A2 as our reference. This tells the function, look for the value in cell A2. As we fill down the column, this reference will update automatically to A3, A4, and so on, ensuring each row is checked independently. Next up is the range. This dictates where we're looking for that search key. It's critical to get this part right, because it's essentially the playground where we're searching for duplicates. We'll specify the exact range to search within. In our example, our data to check is in a second sheet called dupe2, within the range A2 to A4. To keep this range consistent as we autofill, we'll use $signs to lock both the rows and columns, transforming it into A2, A14. This ensures the VLOOKUP function always looks in this specific spot, no matter how many rows deep we go. Moving on to the next parameter, the index. The index determines which column in your specified range will display the result. Because we have just one column of data, we use 1. But should your range contain multiple columns, and you want, say, an answer from the second column, you'd replace 1 with 2. Makes sense, right? Lastly, we set the isSorted argument. This simply tells the function whether your data is ordered. Our data isn't sorted in this example, so we input false. This ensures that the function is looking for an exact match rather than assuming data might be in any order. Now, once you've input all these parts into your VLOOKUP formula, hit Enter and then autofill to apply the formula to the rest of the column. You'll quickly see duplicate entries identified. If a match or duplicate exists, you'll see it pop up in your duplicates column. If not, you'll encounter an error value, indicating no match was found. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've streamlined the process of detecting duplicates between two worksheets. Happy spreadsheeting!